Hi everybody. Today we'll be discussing on a very important area in object-oriented programming, which we call as functions. We will be dividing our lectures into what is a function, what are the way or the approach in which these functions are handled, and what are the various ways in which we are calling functions and we are returning values to functions, and the other things about the functions. First of all, for today's class, we'll be discussing on what a function is. But prior to it, I must introduce myself that I am taking an online class for functions, and that is a part of object-oriented programming. Now, I'll be using constructs and programmatical constructs later in my series, in our later